Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we'll be discussing the point that how a creator on YouTube in 2024 can make their short videos viral. Viral means every creator, you all must be well aware of this term to make your content viral within hours of publishing. So I will be sharing some tips and tricks to apply on your content and you can make your short videos viral as well. And at the end, I will share a special experience tip which I have experienced myself and got many videos viral. So keep watching the video. So let's talk about some key points that can play a vital role in making a YouTube short viral. You must keep it short and sweet. Short videos can be made up to 20 seconds, but you must avoid those 60 seconds. Rather, you must go for initially 30-second video or between 25 to 30 seconds. And your content must be concise, engaging, and to the point. You have to grab attention quickly, as it's essential to grab viewers' attention within the first 15 seconds or the first 5 to 7 seconds. So it must be start with something eye-catching or intriguing to hook your audience. You can make shorts on trendy topics or challenges, trending topics, challenges, and memes. You can even make memes within your niche. You can also create shareable content, like it can be emotionally, it can be some emotional, humorous, or informative content. And you must encourage viewers to share your shorts with your friends and followers. You can also use captions and text overlays on your shorts. And you can use these short videos to hook your audience, and you can engage your audience, and you can reroute your audience to your long videos. You can also promote your shorts on other platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok to reach a broader audience. And last but not the least, you must be consistent and focused on your work in order to get success. And tip of the day is that you have to hook your audience till the first 15 seconds. If you achieve the audience retention for first 15 seconds of your video, sure, YouTube will make your video viral and will increase visibility. And so I hope you like my video, you like my tips and tricks I shared with you, and you can communicate with me in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comments. So let's start a healthy conversation and build a healthy community of successful people. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. See ya.